SNYR stock analysis and SNYR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Synergy's CHC, it's 45% increase in price, which is sick. What I'm going to do, man, like I've made more videos than anyone else, by the way, in this YouTube channel, and all of that is documented with 40,000 videos. But I'm just going to come out here and say that pumps and dumps are immortal. Like in this case, I genuinely am not saying, I have no ill intentions towards SNYR, but it's just the truth, because I've seen this happening 40,000 videos that I've done. So in this instance, here it did a 30-minute chart. If there is a double break, then sure, I'm looking to take it down. But if not, then it's nothing, you know, so be it. Like, I'm not going to come out here and just cry about this. So all I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.